Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a brand new video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a folder or file using terminal on macOS. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to open the terminal on your macOS. I know, I think you know it, how to open the terminal. You have to open the launchpad and open the terminal, or you can use the spotlight by clicking on this search icon. By the way, now here you can see that this is the terminal and I'm going to create a folder on a location. For the first time, I'm gonna see my current location, pwd. So I'm inside users/Maisha. I'm inside the Maisha folder. So I'm gonna see all of the folders available over here. Here I can see that desktop folder. I'm gonna enter on that desktop. And now I want to create a folder on this desktop. So I'm typing over here mkdir to create the folder demo. So I'm clicking over here and here you can see that a folder named demo has been created. I want to create another folder mkdir SOHAG. Here you can see that a folder named SOHAG has been created over here. And now I want to create a text file over here. I'm typing here touch SOHAG text.txt. And here you can see that SOHAG text.txt file has been created. Now I want to create an HTML file over here. SOHAG html.html. Here you can see that HTML file has been created over here. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to create a folder or file using terminal on macOS. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.